everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we're going over another trade recap, GU. So I'm going to explain why I traded GU in a second, and I'm also going to go over why I didn't do GJ pretty much. So today, guys, I traded GU, so London session. And I just want to go over where I went wrong, where I went right, and what I need improvement on. Now, let's get right into it, bro. You Lamborghini, you fucking mad cunts. Let's get right into it. Alright? Alright? Let's get into it. Are you getting into it? I'm getting into it. Alright? Okay, we're actually going to get into it now. We're getting inside. Alright? London session opens. We get a touch into Asia session highs. Come down. We form a new low. And then we have this high here. Have that low there. Equilibrium hit. We got selling pressure out of it. The 4 hourly and 1 hourly was bullish. Alright, I should say that now. And I actually went for a sell, which was pretty stupid, but also not. You don't really need the high time frame bias for this strategy, but it does help. Anyway, phone's buzzing. Throw phone on bed. Alright, fuck it. Now, we actually said this trade would have worked out, but we're not going to get into that right now because we fucked up. So it's fine. Now we come down, I set my stops just above equilibrium, and my take profit was at this fair value gap. In my head, I was thinking, okay, we're on the 5 minute time frame. We have this 5 minute fair value gap, in which price may want to respect. So, and this 5 minute fair value gap here too. Now, we set my stops here. My take profit was there. Gave us a 1.6 risk to reward. Price comes down, comes up, and then bang, we get stopped out. Now, price actually would have hit my take profit. Look at that. It would have worked, but it didn't because I got stopped out. So, which is fine. You know, maybe my initial stop loss was actually going to be up here, but I said, bro, that's like terrible risk to reward. Like, it's not even a fucking positive risk to reward. So, anyway, that happened. Now, benefits of this trade. I followed my strategy to a degree. I waited for the confluences to hit. I didn't move take profit or stop loss. And when I lost, I was kind of like, okay, whatever. Didn't bother me. Now, where I went wrong. Firstly, I did not trade GJ. And the reason why I didn't trade GJ, guys, is... The reason why I didn't trade GJ was because if you guys saw my yesterday video, this happened, right? Which like shocked me because that's not normal price action. Like we can see that. And then I was getting ready to trade GJ, and then out of fucking nowhere, I turned my head for 1 second. I looked back and I see this shit. So that fucking made me be like, okay, GJ is obviously probably off the fucking table because that's not normal. And I did not feel comfortable trading. Fuck, bro. Knee, man. Right knee. That didn't feel normal to me, so I said, you know what, I'm going to sit out of GJ. Now, when I thought that in my head, I should have said to myself, GJ is not going to work. That means no fucking trade. But me being a dickhead, it's literally the first day of the month, right? We're already off to a shit start, but it's fine, you know? I said, oh, GJ's shit, so let's go to GU. And that was probably a stupid idea. So from now on, guys, I'm probably, just because it's actually, I think this will impact my trading progress, I'm not going to be trading GU anymore. I'll probably do paper trades for it and back testing videos for it, maybe. But GU's off the table. Not because of this loss, man. I don't give a fuck about the loss. It's the fact that I did not stick to my rule. I traded GJ and I went to trade GU. That is not how I should do shit. I know I have traded GU in the past, like one time or twice. I don't know. I think it was once. But this is not good. This was not because I lost. I couldn't care that I lost, man. I'm happy I lost because this fucking told me that, hey, GPY fucking GJ was not gonna work. So that means no fucking trade. Don't force a trade. So I forced this trade, which is not something I should be doing. And something you guys shouldn't be doing either. Don't force trades. Yes, if I set my stops higher, yes, it would have hit. My take profit would have hit, but I do not care because if it did hit, I still didn't follow my rules. So from now on, guys, probably no more GU trades. I don't know what's happening with GJ, man. Like, this was fucked. So that's a trade recap, guys. I'm actually not too annoyed at today. You know, I still have improved. You know, I didn't move my stop loss. I didn't move my take profit. I followed my confluences. I didn't panic. Nothing. I let myself get stopped out. It was whatever. That didn't annoy me. I'm actually a lot more annoyed at the fact that I traded GU over GJ. Like, that's really annoying. So, oh well. Anyway, guys. Also, randomly gonna spring this on all of you. I can't believe I'm just like I just went from talking about losing a trade. I got my payout approval, so my payout has been approved. I'm not going to show you guys everything yet. I want to wait for the money to actually hit my account. Yeah, I woke up this morning, I checked my emails, and it was like, payouts approved. And I was like, fuck yeah, and I got the certificate and everything. So, once that's all done, I will show you guys everything. But yeah, thank you so much, everyone, for watching the video. God bless you all. Enjoy the weekend. No trading on the weekend. Enjoy the weekend. And I hope since it's the first day of the month, I wish a profitable month for everyone. God bless you all. And don't do what I did. Stick to your pair. Don't do stupid shit. See you later, everyone.